ShuttleSky lifts and structures. In this video, I will show you how can you get NoC for your DDA Flat lift project, CGHS Flat lift project, or any other housing society lift project. Let us quickly dive into the procedure for getting NoC. The first step is you need to get consent of 50% of the members residing in the block, excluding the ground floor. At the second stage, you need to gather all the documents which are required. At the third stage, we will file the application with the respective municipal authority, and the fourth stage is visit of junior engineer. Now the good news is that we provide all of these procedural steps for you. We do all of these things, except the only thing that you need to do is that you need to get the consent of 50% of the members residing in your block. Who are we? We are ShuttleSky Lifts and Structures, and we are #1 company in terms of DDA Flat lift installation and also in the residential projects as well. We have completed more than 50 DDA Flat structure lift installation, which were all turnkey projects. That means it included the installation of lift, getting the NoC, doing all the civil work including the shifting of tanks, etc. to the final stage when the client will step into the elevator in their society. For the DDA Flat structure lift, it is a complete turnkey project. It includes NoC and civil work. It includes 25 years of structures guarantee, up to 10 years of lift guarantee, and we are using only the branded equipments in terms of the structure and also in terms of lift. We also provide robust services with our zonal offices, and here are some of the other services that we also provide, such as commercial lift, residential lift, and hospital lift. Let me take you through a project. This is a project that we have done in Pavana Apartments, Mayur Vihar. It is also one of the DDA Flat structure lift project. It was also a turnkey project, included NoC, civil work, shifting of tanks, power cable, this and that. And you can visit this project if you want. We can facilitate your visit, or you can visit any other project as well. This is just to show you that how a complete class structure with a class lift look like. How many number of participants are required? Excluding ground, only 50% of participants are required. What are the documents required in the lift? The very first document is the ownership document. After that, you need some photo ID such as Aadhaar card or voter ID card. After that, one electricity bill and some photographs of the owner. Now we have come to the stage 3. The stage 3 is preparing a drawing. Once you finalize the lift project with us, our architect will visit your site. He will prepare a drawing and show the prospect where the lift is to be installed, as this drawing will also be applied along with other documents to the respective MCD, as DDA have transferred the handover and takeover to the MCD. At the fourth stage, you will be signing some of the affidavits. Here I have shown a copy of them, and I have written all the details as the details were confidential to our clients. And one indemnity bond will also be signed by you. After that, we will come at the final stage. As you can see in this project, I have shown you the drawing, and this is the NoC of the same project. This is from South Delhi Municipal Corporation. We have applied it a few days back, and it came very fast. So this is how your NoC will look like. It is a 2-page document, and it will help you to install the lift in your society. Thank you for all of you for watching this video. Feel free to reach us in case of any doubts or queries. We will be really happy to help you. You can reach us at this number 9090900215, and we will help you to fulfill your dream of lift at your block. I thank you very much.